Hello guys, this is Aryan and in this video I'll be sharing 10 sentences about the grapes. Number 1. Grapes are a fruit. Number 2. Grapes grow on vines. Number 3. Grapes are sweet and juicy. Number 4. They are round and small in shapes. Number 5. They are a good source of vitamins and antioxidants. Number 6. Grapes are used in making jelly and jam. Number 7. They are a healthy snack option. Number 8. They can be seedless or have seeds. Number 9. Grape juice is a popular beverage. Number 10. Raisin are dried grapes. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel and stay tuned. Thank you.